today's world, many people use a lot of different apps for things like shopping, finance, movie ticket booking, finding a hall for celebrations, and fitness. This can make it hard to manage and can be a bit messy. Orange Hive is like a bee collecting nectar from different flowers. It brings together lots of different apps into one place, so you don't have to keep switching between them. It's like having everything you need in one place. People miss out on chances to earn money because there's no one place that combines essential services with ways to make money. It combines all the important things you need in one easy place. No more cluttered phone screens or endless downloads. Just like bees collect nectar from different places, Orange Hive gathers everything you need into one place, making life easier for you. It not only gives you what you need but also helps you make money and be part of a community. Through its network and affiliate marketing features, users can not only benefit from the app's services but also have the opportunity to earn and grow alongside others, just like bees working together for the greater good of the hive. Good business leaders create a vision, articulate the vision, passionately own the vision, and relentlessly drive it to completion. Jack Welch, the founder, Mr. Pranab Muir wanted to make life simpler for people after facing challenges balancing work and personal life himself. He believes in making life easier for everyone and is determined to do the seemingly impossible. It's not just for one thing, it's for everything. Whether it's online or offline, Orange Hive has it all. Who doesn't appreciate the simplicity of having everything served on a single platter and therefore making life easy? Our elders often said that life won't get easy and serve you everything on one platter. However, we are determined to challenge that notion and make the seemingly impossible possible. A solution for our daily needs, including shopping, finance, entertainment, and fitness. It seeks a streamlined solution to manage these requirements. It doesn't just give you what you need, it also helps you earn money through different programs. It's all about empowering people to have endless possibilities and be part of something big. It's for those who want everything in one place without the hassle. It's for people who want to save time and not have to deal with lots of different apps. It's for people who want to make money and be part of a community. It's for those who like new technology and want everything in one place. Orange Hive wants to show people that by making life simple, you can find amazing things. It's inviting everyone to join them and experience a new way of doing things. It's not just an app, it's a community, a place to grow, and a way to make money. Join Orange Hive and see how everything you need is in one place.